When a fence is included in the project, it's best to work with a fence installer as you plan the wall. The fence installer should be responsible for determining the appropriate location for fence posts in the design. In a project like this, fence posts would typically be placed in a sleeve. The sleeve is installed during wall construction. Sleeves should be at least 1 inch larger in radius than the fence posts to allow for mortar or grout. If the fence is at least 3 feet behind the wall, generally no additional reinforcement is required. However, if your fence is installed within 3 feet of the wall, there may be some load transferred to the wall from wind, snow, or pedestrians. In this case, consult an engineer when you're planning the wall to determine the proper reinforcement. Grout the fence post into the sleeve after the wall is built. If you're using filter fabric behind the wall, don't fill the voids between the blocks.